वी हैव 20 पैटर्न्स एंड जिसमें से ये 4 पैटर्न्स आर ओनली बेस्ड ऑन द फर्स्ट 5-minute candle. As you can see in this video, we are only going to discuss the first four pattern, MT1, MT2, MT3, and MT4. All are based on 5-minute candle. So yeah, let's start. So how should be the first 5-minute candle? This is very important. First 5-minute candle पूरे के पूरे ट्रेडिंग बेस का, पूरे डे ट्रेडिंग बेस का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कैंडल होता है. सो इफ वी प्रिडिक्ट इट correctly, we will definitely make huge money by just analyzing how the market opened on the basis of first candle. So of course the candle must be strong. The first 5-minute candle, according to our the empty pattern 1, the first 5-minute candle must be strong. जी हाँ, the first 5-minute candle एक strong candle होना चाहिए. As you can see, these are strong candles which are applicable for the strategies. ये ही strong candle, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं वीडियो के अंदर, strongly bullish और strongly bearish. ये in bullish section only this type of candles will be accepted, and in the bearish side only this type of candle will be accepted as the to execute the strategies, because these are back tested and this shows how market is bearish and how market is strongly bullish in the market. So once we see any kind of this candle, we will assume that yes, the candle are applicable for the strategies, and we will apply once the opportunity comes. So which candles to avoid? कौन से candles को हमें avoid करना चाहिए? So as you can see in the slide, this type of candles are not applicable for the strategies. जी हाँ, because जितना ही weak candle होगा वो उतना ही strength buyers and losers के lose कर देगा. जी हाँ, for example in these candles, see the size of the candles, because candle size depends on how buyers and sellers are reacting in the market, how buyers and sellers are selling and buying in the market. So when we see a very weak candle, we assume that buyers and sellers are confused about the direction. जब भी हम एक weak candle denote करेंगे, we will always get away from that zone. Yeah. So once we see any kind of such candle, any kind of such 5-minute candle, we will not try to enter the trade. So now let's talk about the 5-minute, the first empty pattern 1 of the course of the silver membership, the 5-minute bull entry. So why I'm telling the 5-minute bull entry? So this is a bearish entry, as we have already discussed in our ebook. So how should be the first candle? As we discussed earlier, the first candle should be a strong bullish candle. Yeah, the first candle should be a very strong bullish candle, like as we see in the slide. Whenever the first candle opens, जब भी फर्स्ट कैंडल 5-minute कैंडल एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल ओपन होता है, वो एक इनिशियल बैलेंस हाई और इनिशियल बैलेंस लो क्रिएट करता है. एंड इनिशियल बैलेंस हाई एंड इनिशियल बैलेंस लो इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर दिस स्ट्रेटेजी. एज यू कैन सी, the market opened, the candle opened with a low called initial balance low, and it made a high of initial balance high. So throughout the day this zone will be very important zone for us, because हम इसके बेसिस पर ट्रेड लेने वाले हैं. So in empty pattern 1, the 5-minute bull entry, the most important zone is called initial balance low. Yes, so जब भी मार्केट रिटर्न होता है इनिशियल बैलेंस लो पर, वापस अपने इनिशियल बैलेंस लो पर, और आके ग्रीन कैंडल बनाता है, whenever the market returns to its initial balance low and makes a green candle, that means that's our entry for a long trade. जी हाँ, then इसका मैं आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन देता हूँ. Let me give you explanation for this thing, that whenever market opens with a very bullish candle, that means the low of that candle has numerous buyers, and whenever the market returns back to that zone, जब भी market उस zone पर वापस आएगा, buyers फिर से active हो जाएंगे, and again they will try to enter the market. एंड वंस द मार्केट कम टू दैट जोन, वहाँ से मार्केट फिर पुश करेगा टू रीच टू इट्स इनिशियल बैलेंस हाई. So this is how we will plan our first trade, first empty pattern 1 trade according to the first 5-minute bull entry candle. So the stop loss will be below the entry candle and target will be to the top initial balance high. So this is how we are going to plan our trade because this is very बहुत ही simple concept है. आपको कुछ ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You just have to focus on the first 5-minute candle and wait patiently. Patiently आपको wait करना है कि मार्केट कब अपने इनिशियल बैलेंस लो पर आए और एक ग्रीन कैंडल, अच्छा ग्रीन कैंडल फॉर्म करे एंड दैट विल बी योर एंट्री. स्टॉप लॉस एंट्री कैंडल के नीचे रहेगा तो स्टॉप लॉस विल बी बिलो द एंट्री कैंडल एंड टारगेट विल बी इनिशियल बैलेंस हाई और target could also be the multiplication of 2 of your risk. That for example your risk is 10 rupees, so your target should be 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 40 rupees, minimum 20 rupees. So yeah, so as we have discussed this, because we know how buyers are active in that zone, in the same way we are now going to discuss the empty pattern 2, which is the 5-minute bull entry. So what is 5-minute bull entry? It is the same, it is a vice versa of the first 5-minute bull entry. So whenever we see a strong red candle creating initial balance high and initial balance low, that means that's a pattern 2. हम जैसे ही एक strong red candle देखेंगे, we will depict that it is an indication that our empty pattern 2 has given us a opportunity in coming hours, in coming minutes. So जैसे ही रेड कैंडल ओपन होता है वो एक इनिशियल बैलेंस हाई और इनिशियल बैलेंस लो क्रिएट कर देता है. एज ए डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर, इनिशियल बैलेंस हाई एंड इनिशियल बैलेंस लो ऑफ the green candle was very important, and in this same case the initial balance high and initial balance low is very important. And for the bear entry, the initial balance high becomes very important, very 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 important, because whenever the market reaches to that zone again, back to that zone again and creates a red candle, जब भी मार्केट वापस अपने इनिशियल बैलेंस हाई पर आकर एक रेड कैंडल बनाता है, that confirms our empty pattern 2, the 5-minute bear entry. Stop loss above the entry candle and target will be initial balance low or 2 hour of risk. So why initial balance high of this red candle zone is very important? Because there are huge sellers who are active to short the market, and once market reaches to that zone, it will again the sellers will again press the sell button and it will drag down the market. वहाँ पर जैसे ही मार्केट वापस आएगा, मार्केट वापस ड्रैग डाउन हो जाएगा. स्टॉप लॉस एंट्री कैंडल के अबाव रहेगा and target will be to the initial balance low. So now let's go into the charts, the trading view chart, and let me show you the live trade live chart analysis where these strategies have occurred. मैं आपको भी चार्ट्स पे ले जाता हूँ और वहाँ पे आपको ये दिखाता हूँ कि कैसे कैंडल्स, कैसे स्ट्रैटेजी, ये दो स्ट्रैटेजीज ने लाइव मार्केट में वर्क किया है. सो या बैंक निफ्टी, एज यू कैन सी हियर, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि द फर्स्ट कैंडल इज स्ट्रांगली बुलिश एंड व्हेन मार्केट अगेन came back to that zone, it created a red candle and there it triggered our empty pattern 2 trade. वहाँ पर उसने हमारा empty pattern 2 trade को trigger कर दिया and see the result. See how beautifully market reacted to that zone and it almost gave us 155 points and risk was not more than 70 points. So yeah, this is one example of Bank Nifty. Let me show you one example of Nifty. So this is empty pattern 1, the bull entry in Nifty. As you can see, this is 16th of March of Nifty. As you can see, market opened with a very strong bullish candle. It went up, creating this as a very important initial balance low, as a very important bull zone. And once market reached back to that zone, it created a green candle. It created a green candle, as you can see here, this candle. This candle, and that was our entry. And see how beautifully it reacted, and gave us more than, and gave us, and gave us more. What is this? I don't. And gave us more than 81 points in Nifty. This is very huge. Just 20 to 25 point of risk gave us 180 to 90 points in Nifty based on empty pattern 1. Now see this empty pattern 2 in Bank Nifty. This is 20th of April 2020 chart. The first candle was bearish, as it it triggered our empty pattern 2. And once market reaches back to that zone and created a red candle, जैसे ही market वापस इस zone में आया और एक red candle create किया, we placed our entry, putting stop loss above here and target till the initial balance low of the candle. This was initial balance high, and see how beautifully market reacted to that zone, how beautifully market went down. Now let's move to the last example. See this. So this is 19th of April 2022 Nifty chart. As you can clearly see, market opened with a very huge red candle, triggering our empty pattern 2. And once market reached back to that zone and created a red candle, जैसे ही market वापस उसके हाई पर आया, इनिशियल बैलेंस हाई पर आया और एक रेड कैंडल बनाया, a huge drawdown was seen. This is 19th of April 2022 Nifty chart. You can also go and watch live on your TradingView app or TradingView website. So this is how we trade, and this is how we inculcate our ideas. So guys, we are soon launching our Money Trapper Silver membership, in which we are teaching the option buying strategies of Nifty and Bank Nifty options in just 20 patterns. हमने बहुत अलग अलग जगह से कई बुक्स पढ़ के, कई हर जगह से आप सब कुछ ऑलमोस्ट 10,000 टाइम्स फिल्टर करके, बैक टेस्ट करके 20 पैटर्न स्टडी किए हैं. वी हैव बैक टेस्टेड more than 10,000 times. We have back tested the strategies more than 10,000 times. We have applied filters to the strategies, and then we have come to the conclusion that how 20 patterns, only just 20 filtered 20 patterns will help you being a successful trader. So link is in the description box below. Do join. Ebook is already included in the Silver membership. If you want ebook without the course, you can also buy that too. So let's meet in the next video. Till now, thank you.